Good morning, dear students. I, Priyanka Srivastav, Maths teacher of NLK Group of Schools, welcome you all to attend the math session. Children, in previous class, we have learned how to multiply a number by a one-digit number and a two-digit number. And in today's class, we are going to learn how to multiply a number with a three-digit number. Okay, so let's take an example. Here we have to multiply 532 by 356. So how will we proceed? For this, we will divide the whole process in 3 or 4 steps. Okay. So children, let's start with step number 1. In step number 1, we will multiply 532 by the ones digit of the multiplier, that is 6. So 6 2s are 12, here write 2 and carry over 1. Now multiply 6 with 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. So here write 9 and carry over 1. Now 6 5s are 30 and 30 plus 1, 31. Now in step 2 children, we will multiply 532 by the tens digit of the multiplier, and the tens digit is 5. And 5 is in the tens digit children. So we are actually multiplying 532 by 50. So here below ones place write down 0, or you can mark the sign of multiplication. Now 5 2s are 10, carry over 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16, carry over 1. 5 5s are 25 and 25 plus 1, 26. Okay. Now step 3, multiply 532 by the 100 digit, and 3 is in the 100 digit. So we are actually multiplying 532 by 300. So here we have to write 0 below the ones place and the tens place, or you can mark the sign of multiplication. Okay. Now start multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now in step 4, add these products. So 2 as it is 2, 9 plus 0 9, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 6 13. So write down 3, 1 is carry over. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18, and 18 plus 1 is 19. So write 9 and carry over 1. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, and 1 is as it is 1. So our answer is 1,89,392. Okay children. Now move to the next topic, and that is story sums. So children, we already know how to solve multiplication story problems, but today we will learn how to represent information given in the problem with statements, and it is very interesting. So children, let's take an example. Here in a farm, 240 potato plants are planted in one row. If there are 24 such rows, how many potato plants are there? So children, to understand the problem well and to know what to write as statements, ask this question like, what is 240 and what is 24? The answer to this question will help us to form statements for the solution. So children, what is 240? 240 are potato plants planted in one row. ठीक है? And what is 24? 24 is total number of rows. So we can write as a statement, total number of rows is equal to 24, and number of potato plants in one row is equal to 240. Now let's check what is asked in the question. So in this question it is asked how many potato plants are there. Okay, we have to find how many potato plants are there. So children, number of potato plants in one row is equal to 240. So number of potato plants in 24 rows will be 240 multiplied by 24. ठीक है. Now multiply 240 into 24, and you know how to multiply a two-digit number with a given number. So let's start the multiplication. 4 multiply 0, 0. 4 4s are 16, carry over 1. 4 2s are 8 and plus 1, 9. Now multiply the tens digit of the multiplier. 2 multiply 0, 0. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Now add these products. 0 as it is 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 8, 17. 17, write here 7 and carry over 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So children, number of potato plants in 24 rows is 5760. And children, always remember to write the answer in full statement. Okay, and it is very necessary. So there are 5760 potato plants in 24 rows. Okay. Now we will solve one more multiplication story problem. Okay. So here question number 2 is Manas school fee is rupees 950 per month. What is the fee for 10 years? So as I told you before, to understand the problem well and to know what to write as statements, ask the following question, that what is rupees 950 and what is 10 years? Okay. So children, what is 950? Manas school fees is rupees 950 per month. Okay. And 10 years, this is the time period. Okay. So children, what is asked in the question? It is asked, what is the fee for 10 years? So children, in the question it is already given school fee for a 1 month. Per month means for 1 month. Okay. Now we have to calculate the fee for 10 years. So children, we know 1 year is equal to 12 months and 10 years is equal to 12 into 10, that is 120 months. So children, we can write Manas school fee for 1 month is equal to rupees 950. Manas school fee for 10 years or 120 months. So children, multiply 950 with 120. So here children, there are 2 zeros. So here mention 2 zeros and multiply 95 with 12. So 12 5s are 60. So write down 0 here and carry over 6. Now 12 9s are 108 and 108 plus 6, 114. So fee for 10 year is rupees 1,14,000. And children, always mention unit. Okay? So in this way you can solve story problems. You can understand the story problems of multiplication. I hope you all understood the today's topic. Bye bye. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you.